Good afternoon, good night, whatever the time is in your country. So, yeah, it's quite late in my country, India. It's about 3 p.m. I think. Yeah, oh, sorry, 3 a.m. So, yeah, it's midnight only. So, today the update that I'm giving is just after the game of Crystal Palace versus Burnley. And as you can see, my latest points are 36 and the average points are 7. I think it is just not updated. The highest point will be also updated, so I will just show you my current team of game week 32. Pope gave 7 points, Doherty and Size gave me 6 points. And yeah, there are many players to play. And Ings gave me 13 points, but one catch. I sold Ings. Yeah, but before this game actually I sold Ings because the Ings having next game was quite difficult. This is Southampton versus Manchester City, so I don't think he can score with the City. Or else he can give a hat trick, but I don't care. I have already done the transfer and I am not at all. You can say yes, I am pretty much afraid now. But yeah, we can see. So in my bench is Saka, Calvert-Lewin, and Jack Robinson. Actually, it's pretty tiring here. Sometimes I think that I should not even put some videos because none of you are actually watching and subscribing. So yeah, there are quite few updates that I want to give. The first update is that this thing is totally new for me. The environment that I'm using. I don't know actually where to see my opponent teams in the mini leagues in which I am. Yeah, so cool. So it is downwards. Okay, next. So this is it. My game week 29 points, 1754. Oh my god. Yeah, so I will just show you my league dangle with my common friends. It is not updated, and this Tushar and Anmol. Guys, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. So just go to back screen. So I will just open the transfer window. So in transfer window, as you can see, these are the changes that have I already made. So what I did is I transferred from Ings to Rashford, and I also bought Martial as it was. Oh my god, did I just make 3 transfers this week? Because Aurier I didn't have Aurier also. What the no, Martial I already had. So what I did this game week was I transferred from Ings to Rashford and Richie to Aurier because Richie was quite in FA Cup he didn't play. So I was waiting for the FA Cup match and he was not there, so I thought he might not be playing because I want my third defender, an attacking defender. So I have fully 4 defenders. For example, I will play Alexander Aurier and Doherty, all 3 every time. If some of them was injured, then I can bring in Size from the bench. And these are my beautiful foes: Mane, De Bruyne, Martial and Fernandes. So actually I don't want to triple up Manchester United attack for way long time because these two fixtures are really very delicious, Bournemouth and Aston Villa. So I think that the attacking of Manchester United is really very crazy nowadays because they are just going full throttle. So I think bringing attacking players of Manchester United will be more beneficial than bringing some defender. Like, yeah, Van Bissell can be one of the choice, but bringing Maguire, I think it is totally bullshit. So we should try to bring Martial or Rashford or Fernandes or any two of them, or even I don't think Pope will be a nice option. But It's on your choice. Play FPL by your own rules, not on someone else. I'm just here to give you suggestions, just here to show my own team. So yeah, so this will be my team for game week 32 plus 33 plus, sorry, my bad. So I have 2.5 million remaining in the bench. So what my future plan will be is like to bring some of the Manchester City players, either Jesus or Mahrez in place of Fernandes or someone, or Saka also. I am thinking of playing actually formation with middle of all the 5 players. So I can bring Saka. I can convert Calvert-Lewin into that Arsenal cheapest forward 4.2. I don't know how to spell his name, but you know. And then I can get more money to convert Saka into what Mahrez. So first I will see that if Mahrez plays Liverpool for 90 minutes, then it is quite less chance that he will play the next match. So if Mahrez is dropped in the Liverpool game or comes in the last 10 to 20 minutes, then it's a delicious, you can say a delicious offer that I can go for Mahrez for the next game week. So for now, these are the updates. Pope for me is really doing well. Alexander Arnold is also doing well. He is the legend itself. Over, yeah, he's okay. Actually, it is his first match in my team, so I will give 2 to 3 matches. No, I will give score a hat trick in the next game. Doherty, great size, cheap, great. Jack Robinson, just a bench player. Mane, De Bruyne, Martial, and Fernandes, you guys have to do it, man. Saka, just a bench player. Calvert-Lewin I don't like that much, but yeah, he's a forward player, cheap forward player, so that I was hoping that he can give me some points. And Rashford with Aston Villa and Bournemouth as the next game, I think Rashford can kill it. Jimenez, my man. So these are the games. As you can see, the Wolves versus Arsenal game. Man, delicious for Wolves and Arsenal both. Chelsea versus Watford, yeah, and one update on Pulisic. Actually, he is having some calf problems. So Pulisic, I think Frank Lampard is saying that he will be okay, but I don't think that in this point of time we should be risking one of our spot in a risk that whether a player will play or not, and that too of a money of 7 million. So you can bring someone like Traore, or you can get some money and bring in someone like Fernandes or Bergwijn. So because they are regular player, because these players are regularly playing, and Pulisic, there is a doubt. So I don't think Pulisic will be a nice option until he is fit. So just wait for 1 or 2 games and then you can transfer him in. So for me, I am not taking hands on Pulisic right now. Yeah, so for now I think these are the updates from my side. So whatever any doubts or any question you are having regarding to this or any teams related stuff, so you can just comment your team, come write down your names of the player, whatever you are having in my comment section, and I will try to answer it. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.